more pragmatic? With me, here are a teacher, a student, and a representative from the Ministry of Education.
Exactly. We will ask them about their opinions are, why they agree or disagree, and how this policy may affect schools. Let's begin.
As a teacher, what do you think about TKA in senior high school?
In my opinion, TKA is not appropriate. Senior high school, I don't think that's right because the curriculum taught in class is often different from what will appear in TKA. That's not fair. The students, as far as I'm concluded, this test might only add more stress.
You say that. How does it affect your teaching process?
Well, I feel students become more focused on drilling test questions rather the understanding listen. I couldn't learn more with other teacher why say that TKA crisis future to my math evaluation is good by not my in the way that burns but teacher and standing.
As a student, how do you feel about TKA? Do you agree with your teacher?
Well, I agree with my teacher because I feel the same way. I think TKA is add more pressure. We already have a school test, school exam, and we need to preparation for college. That's why I don't agree with TKA preparation.
What challenges do you face as a student if TKA is applied?
Well, I'm sure that many students will feel stressed and burnt out. I don't think that standardization will help us. That's too ridiculous because not all schools have the same facilities and great teacher, and it's unfair to compare school student equal with one single test.
Now let's hear from the government. Why do you support TKA?
In my view, TKA brings many benefits. First, TKA can help us to map student abilities fairly across the country. That's true, and I believe this system ensures equal opportunity. Secondly, it allows schools to improve their quality. To a certain extent, yes, it may add pressure, but it is necessary for improvement. That's very true.
How do you make sure it will not burden students and teachers?
Well, I see your point, but the government will prepare support programs. I am sure this test will not only measure, but also guide school. On the one hand, I agree that pressure must be reduced, but also on the other hand, evaluation test is needed. Absolutely.
Then who should take responsibilities if this test fail?
I think the government must be responsibly. I am sorry, but I complained disagree with the statement that TKA will help as if the curriculum is not eliminated.
Yes, that's exactly what I think. Because we don't need to enter with the government. That's exactly not right.
I see what you mean, but please listen, don't get upset. We will ensure that the TKA will not be unfair. That's a possibility, but improvement will be made.
So, what can we conclude from this discussion? When the decision be clear?
Well, from this debate, we can see both pros and cons. The government emphasize fairness and evaluation, while teachers and students are highlight stress and inequality. Hopefully, the final policy will bring the best for education in Indonesia.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.